We're now going to progress to some steps which are a bit more difficult. Ready, set, and...
Well, hello again. We meet again. As you all know, I'm an editor, and I've been doing edits from the past year. You can't say I'm very experienced editor, but you also wouldn't also say I'm a beginner. I'm in between. Now, how I began editing. Well, honestly, I can't really remember the editing apps I had at the start, but all I can say is that I had multiple apps, which was insane. But I then tried Funimate app for couple months and then moved to Videostar. Can I just say, the other day I posted on my story on Instagram if anyone wanted me to do a tutorial on how to edit, and let me tell you, y'all truly wanted me to. Like damn, y'all do truly want me to stay up late at night to make a long ass video like this. But I'm always committed to do these types of videos. So please, subscribe to my channel because I truly stay up at 3 in the morning just make videos like these. One more thing, now that I'm showing you how to use Videostar, the point here is me showing you what you should know when using the app. Because honestly, when I first downloaded the app I barely knew where to begin. I'm not showing you how to edit, because everyone has their own sense of style when it comes to editing, but I'll show you the basics. Now you see, when you first open Videostar, it should look like this, except you wouldn't have any edits because you just downloaded the app, but that's okay. If you don't know, you have to pay for Videostar. For 1 month it's $6.99. For 3 months it's $18.49. But if it's for a whole year it's $48.99. But you pay only if you do those hard edits. But you can do edits without paying, except you won't be able to use multi-layer. Like if you paid, you'd be able to do this. And this. And more transitions. But this video is mainly for those who want to know how to edit, so you are welcomed. So to begin, you press the plus button on the right top corner, and you can pick which frame you want for your edit. Then, press select song, and then you go videos, and pick the song that you screen recorded or a song that you edit out. Then, check out if it's the song that you want to use, and then press make video. If you're here, then you are in the right place. Then go to add, and pictures, and please don't mind the memes I've saved. If you want to know, this is the edit that I'll be show you the easy transitions. The sad news, I totally forgot to screen record the transitions, but that doesn't stop me. Now, before we continue, these two are important, so screenshot them, and when you're using them in your edits, you don't need to give credit to me. So firstly, you go to new and then multi-layer, press number 1 on your left top corner. Then go to edit keyframes. This is where all the magic happens. So this is where you would get really confused, because guess what? I was too. But once you get the hand of it, it's easy, trust me. This right here is the size. It goes from 0 to 200. This right here is fade. I don't really need to explain what this is because it's pretty obvious what it is. Now, these 3 right here, this is the spin, and these 2, not sure what they called but these are truly the best. This top right here, is where you can move the picture or video that you're editing on. Like I'm giving you an example what you can do with that. When you go back, and you press number 1 again, you would see, add mask. When you go to that, there are shapes. Then there's color, where you can remove anything that you don't want. Then there's erase, where you can remove anything you don't want in the picture, or video. You can zoom into the photo and stuff. Now, let me show you some easy transitions that you can do. The spin. So we are back here, and to do that spin, you go to the end, and move this to the right, and pay attention to the number and where the arrow is facing at. Then this is where this comes in handy. For this part, use number 2. The next one is kinda similar to what we did to the first one, but we turn it to the left from the start. And to the end we turn it back to normal. And then use number 1. Congrats. You learned how to edit the spin. See, it wasn't that hard. I'm so proud of you. I feel like a mother who just learned her child how to walk. I understand how Namjoon feels as a leader with his members. So now this next one, the zoom. Once again go to multi-layer, and go to edit keyframes. Go to the end and change the size to 52. Then use number 2. Then with the next one, from the start you put the size 174. And at the end, you go to 100. And use number 1. Lord Jesus, I'm more proud than ever. You learned how to do the zoom. Well done. Here is your trophy for learning the basic transitions. Now, I know that I didn't show you enough of the basic transitions, but I'm still gonna make more videos for you guys to learn. So don't worry, you still going to learn more from my videos. I just want to say, for those who do follow me on Instagram and also watch my videos, thank you so much for 1000 followers. You guys truly made me cry in happiness. I never thought I would actually reach that much, but thanks to you guys. Y'all are just amazing. Don't let anyone tell you that you won't be anything in the future, because guess what? You can do it, and I believe that every one of you guys who is watching this, will achieve your dreams. If I can achieve it, you all can. And believe it or not, you are fabulous and beautiful. And my next thing to achieve is, to reach up to 1000 subscribers, but that will take time. And that, my guys, was my message. And let's go to the best part. Jimin's ass on fire.